We have the power to change how we age. No one likes to talk about falls. We created Bold so you don't have to. As we age, many people lose balance and lower body strength. Each year, 1 in 4 people over 65 falls. At Bold, we can help you restore balance and strength through safe and effective online exercise classes. Bold's expert trainers infuse their classes with energy and enthusiasm, keeping you motivated on your fitness journey. Our team is passionate about fitness for healthier, stronger aging. Here's how it works. First, create a profile with your preferences and take a free Bold test to establish your current fitness level. Every week, we'll provide you with personalized exercise videos so you can gradually build strength and balance. Make Bold part of your routine, and you'll be moving and feeling a little bolder every day. Let's get moving. Bold.